early human making tools. Means now we will discuss about the tool making process of early human, which he has adopted to make tools. Yes, bete. To start with it, it is useful to remember that the use of tools and tool making are not confined to humans. Means uh, how to make tools, it is not known only to humans, it was also known to chimpanzees also. You know, chimpanzees are animals, they are not humans, but they know how to use tools. Birds are known to make objects to assist them with feeding, hygienic and social encounters. And while foraging for food, some chimpanzees use tools that they have made. Now it is clear from this line that chimpanzees use the tools whenever they were hunting their food. They know how to use these tools. However, there are some features of human tool making that are not known among apes. But apes did not know how to make tools and how to use them. As we have seen, certain anatomical and neurological related to the nerve system, related to the brain, and anatomical related to the bones, shape of body. Both are the scientific terms. Adaptations have led to the skilled use of hands, probably due to the important role of tools in human life. Means we have seen on page number 11 how human started to use his hands for tool making purpose, for using tools to hunt animals. And neurological research is also um, having a belief that he started to use tools, he adapted his nervous system accordingly. Moreover, the ways in which humans use and make tools often require great memory. But it is clear whenever you want to make anything, you need great memory. If you have memory, you can create anything. Same which engineers are doing. Automobile engineers are making cars with the memory they have in their mind. And we know it's a complex organizational skill. किसी चीज को ऑर्गेनाइज करना एक complex skill होता है, both of which are absent in apes. I am telling you that apes are not able to make tools and they're not able to use tools. Why? Because they're not having skills to make tools as use them. Only early humans and chimpanzees have the memory to make tools as well as to use them. The earliest evidence for the making and use of stone tools comes from sites in Ethiopia and Kenya. From both sides we have evidence. It is likely that the earliest stone tool makers were the Australopithecus. They were Australopithecus who came to know how to make tools. This is the tool making technique. Some early tools. These are the some early tools which we have found. These tools were found in Old UB. Old UB is a site where we have artifacts, where we have proofs, evidences of tool making process. The one above is a chopper. This is a chopper. This tool is known as chopper. Means it is used to chopping the goods, chopping the foods. This is a larger stone from which flakes have been removed to produce a working edge. The one below is a hand axe and this is a hand axe. कहाड़ी है ये, हाथ में यूज पकड़ के वो शिकार करता था एनिमल्स का. Can you suggest what these tools may have been used for? For hunting purpose, for obtaining food. And I have told you this is the cave. This is a reconstruction of a hut at Terra Amata. The large stone boulders. These are the large stone. These are large stone boulders were used to support the sides of the hut. These are used to support the site of a hut. The small scatters of stone on the floor were places where people made stone tools, and these were the small tools which are lying here are used to make tools by early humans. The black spot marked with an arrow indicate a hearth. I have already shown you that this is a hearth. Chulla oven, which is used to cook food. In what ways do you think life for those who lived in these shelters would be different from that of the hominids who lived on trees? Hominids lived on trees. Now, after evaluation, um, Homo sapien started to live in cave. This is the difference. Yes, we take look at the picture. These are the tools which are made by early humans. Yes, but as in the case of other activities, we don't know whether tool making was done by men or women or both. Means it is not known to us that who was making tool. Only men or only women or both were making tools. It is possible that stone tool makers were both men and women. Maybe it is a probability that men and women both made tools. Women in particular may have made and used tools to obtain food for themselves as well as to sustain their children after winning. Means ladies were making tools for obtaining their own food as well as food for their younger ones, their children. Because we know mothers are always attached to their young ones. They wanted to feed their younger ones first, then they take their own meal. About 3500 years ago, not 100, these are the 1000. 35,000 years ago, improvements in the technique for killing animals are evident from the appearance of new kinds of tools such as spear throwers and the bow and the arrow. This is you are saying a spear thrower. ये पाला है used to kill animals for food purpose. Note the carving on the handle. The use of the spear thrower enabled hunters to hurl spears over longer distance. Means they can kill any animal from a long distance by throwing a spear. You can yes, you can suggest any advantage in using such equipment. Yes, bete. So we have seen that by throwing spear they could kill any animal from a long distance. And these improvements in the technique for killing animals are evident from the appearance of new kinds of tools such as spear throwers and bow and arrow. Bow and arrow, you know, तीर कमान है जो जिसको वो यूज करता था. Today it is also used as a game, or it is used by tribal people who are living in forests to kill animals. The meat thus obtained was probably processed and by removing the bones, followed by drying. Mean food was processed, food was saved for future by removing bones and by drying it, by smoking it, by storage. Thus, food could be stored for later consumption. Mean for long period it was stored, it was saved, food was saved. There were other changes such as trapping of fur-bearing animals. They trapped those animals which has fur on their body. And you know what is the use of fur? They use this fur as a cloth to keep themselves warm during winter season. To use the fur for clothing. Fur was used as a cloth. and the invention of sewing needles, and we have found needles also which are used to stitch the clothes, sewing purpose के लिए, कपड़े को सीने के लिए. The earliest evidence of sewn clothing come from about 20,000 21,000 years ago. Means we are having proof 21,000 साल पहले लोग कपड़ा स्टिच करके पहनते थे फर का. Besides, apart from it, with the introduction of punch blade technique to make small chisel-like tools, it was now possible to make engraving on bone, antler, ivory, and wood. And you have seen there is a design carving on spear. Means by making chisel tool, they started to decorate their tools, और they started to decorate wood or ivory antler. Means वो ये टेक्निक भी सीख गए थे engraving करना. And look at the figure. The punch blade techniques are made here, and you are seeing this is the A figure. And what is mentioned in A? The top of a large pebble is removed using a hammer stone. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. By using hammer, this top of a large pebble is removed. B. This produce a flat surface called the striking platform. You are seeing this is a flat surface, and it is uh, produced with the help of hammer again by removing this tip. Then this is C tool, and C you are seeing this is again hammer, this is chisel, and a new tool is made. This is the then struck using a hammer and a chisel, पंच मशीन जिसको हम कहते हैं पंचिंग करने के लिए. ये देखो आप देख रहे हो, एंड इट इज मेड ऑफ बोन और एंटलर. ये बोन की बनी हुई है एंटलर. डी, दिस इज द डी टूल. which one tool? This is D. This leads to production of blades that can be used as knives, modern knives. ये tools हैं, blades हैं जिसको हम चाकू कहते हैं modern, और modified to serve as chisels or verniers which could be used to engrave bone, antler, ivory or wood. Means it is used to decorate the artifacts. And this is E tool, an example of engraving on bone. Note the drawing of animals on it. What you are watching here? You are watching there is a drawing of animal. This is the animal which is drawn on this bone for decoration purpose. Maybe that was their hobby. उनकी ये hobby थी. Thank you class.